This activity relates to the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. The objective of this activity is to verify that the sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degree, and we'll be doing this by paper cutting and pasting. Let's understand the concept in hand. So if you draw any polygon, let's say a five-sided figure like this. So I've drawn a random figure here, A, B, C, D, and E. To make exterior angles, let's produce the side AB like this. It forms an exterior angle here. And then let's produce the side BC. It forms an exterior angle here. Then the side CD, another exterior angle. Then the side DE, which forms another exterior angle. And then the side EA, and that forms another exterior angle. So there are five exterior angles which I have marked in this particular figure. I am naming them as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you take a protractor and measure angle 1, measure angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5, and whatever results you get, just add all the five results. You will find that the sum, that is, when you add all the five, the sum which you will obtain will always be 360 degree. Even if you draw a six-sided figure or a seven-sided figure or a triangle which has only three sides, the sum of all the exterior angles will always be 360 degree. Let's see what material is required to perform this activity. As we have to make a triangle, a quadrilateral, or a polygon, we require cutouts of craft paper. So we have to make use of the scissors, the glue for pasting work, geometry box for drawing the polygons, and tracing paper. Let's see how this activity is performed.
To verify that the exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360 degree, we first cut a random pentagon. So you can take a pentagon or a hexagon also, whatever is comfortable you are comfortable with. So you draw any random pentagon on a colored sheet of paper and cut it out. Now paste this pentagon on another colored sheet of paper like this, and you can see I've already drawn it there just for simplicity's sake. But when you paste it like this and then produce the sides one by one, so this is AB. So if you produce AB on the right side, you have this angle 1 formed as the exterior angle. Likewise, if you produce BC towards this direction, then angle 2 is the exterior angle. Likewise, CD produced along this direction gives you angle 3 as the exterior angle. DE produced along this direction gives you angle 4 as the exterior angle, and EA produced along this direction gives you angle 5 as the exterior angle. So these are the five exterior angles formed. Now, when you have already made these five angles, we need to cut these five angles. So using a scissor, just cut this portion. See, I'm just highlighting it for you. This portion, you can just cut this part. So this part, angle 1, which is labeled as angle 1, I have already cut it out for you so that you can understand it. Here we have the angle 1. Likewise, you can cut this angle 2 like this, and this cutout is already shown here. Here is angle 2. Likewise, you can cut out all the angles 3, 4, and 5. So all the five cutouts are here. Now there is another pasting activity. What you need to do is to take a point anywhere on the sheet of paper and start pasting these angles such that this vertex coincides with this point like this, and then keep on pasting the other angles, keeping them adjacent like this, angle 2 and then angle 3. Make sure that you are keeping the vertex at the point which was marked like this, angle 3 and then angle 4, we have to keep it adjacent to angle 3 like this, and then finally angle 5 like this. So you will find that when you paste all the 5 angles around that point which you marked, you will exactly get a circle. That means it shows that the sum of these 5 angles is going to be 360 degree. What were these 5 angles? These 5 angles were the exterior angles of a polygon, and therefore it proves that the sum of all the 5 exterior angles of a pentagon is 360 degree. The same can be verified for a hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon or decagon, which you can do as an extra activity.